Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 856 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I am going to be trying out an eyeliner stamp. So I have said countless times on my channel how bad I am at winged eyeliner. And maybe this product right here will be my solution. So I have tried out the Vamp stamp before. That was a long time ago on my channel, and that was where it's basically a stamp that you put into a pot of like eyeliner and you dip it in and you're supposed to put it on. That didn't work for me well at all, but this is different. This is a dual-ended eyeliner. So there's a stamp on one end, the eyeliner on the other. And this is from a brand that I love. This is from MOSTORY, which is a makeup brand that you can get on Amazon. Super affordable. This was sent to me for free, so that's my disclaimer there, but this is not a sponsored video. I love MOSTORY eyebrow pencils. It's my go-to brow pencil. I'm literally wearing it today because it's my favorite. I also recently tried out the MOSTORY Fiber Mascara, which is also really great, super affordable. But actually a little update on that, I gave it to my sister because she was in need of a mascara and I was like, oh, this one's new, it's really good. So I gave it to her, and my sister works at a COVID specialty facility. So she is gowned up, covered in PPE. So she doesn't really wear any makeup because she just sweats it off. There's really no point. But she's been wearing that mascara as her one makeup product, and it does not smudge. It does not come off. And she says that she hadn't had any mascaras that wouldn't, smudge off through all of her PPE. And that mascara lasts. So she loves it, and I'm really happy about that. So I'll have the mascara review video and the eyebrow pencil review video, both MOSTORY brand. I'll have those videos linked in the description down below if you want to see it. But that makes me extra excited to try out this product here because not only is it a cool concept, it's also from a really awesome brand. And all of the MOSTORY products, from the box to the packaging, just feel high-end, and then they perform like high-end products, but they are not high-end pricing. They're even basically less than drugstore pricing. So I'm really excited to check this out. Ooh, so here is the eyeliner end. I'm gonna go ahead and just test them out on my hand first. Ooh, a nice flexible, very pointy applicator that seems to be perfectly pigmented, full black color. So that just seems like a good liquid eyeliner. Oh my gosh, and then here is the stamp. So here is what that looks like. It's literally the shape of the wing, and I think it just has the ink that automatically goes into it. I'm gonna do a little test. Yes! Oh my gosh, that's a perfect stamp. See how that came out? Perfectly pointy. It's not so inky that it's running. Okay, this seems really promising. I just need to have the skills to stamp it in the right place, but this seems like such an awesome stamp. Oh my gosh, what if this is my game changer and now I can do a perfect wing all the time? I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and try it. Just like make sure I have it in the right direction. I did it. I stamped it. And that looks good. Okay, I'm excited. While I have the stamp end, I'm gonna go ahead and try and mimic the other eye, and then I'll fill in my liquid eyeliner with the marker side. So oh, that one didn't go completely filled. I went over it and it did. Oh my gosh. That really, really worked. But I love that it has the other end here with the marker. So then you can fill in the rest of the line, perfect it if needed, like this side. I just need to fill it in the tiniest bit, but very easy to do because you've got that perfect shape and outline. This is a nice, really precise pencil to fill it in. It's not even a pencil, it's a marker. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and just line my upper lash line. Oh my gosh, so easy. This just writes beautifully. It's not dragging along the eyelid, does a nice smooth line, full pigment. And I can get right up close to that lower lash line because of how pointy it is. And I'm just going to connect to the wing. Easy. Wow, that worked so well. Okay, I got the eyeliner a little bit below the line on this eye, but ooh, just wipe that away. And look at that perfect winged eyeliner. It's sharp. It's the right shape. I am so excited. I can never get winged eyeliner that looks this good. I definitely did a better job with the stamp on this eye. I feel like I just put it in the perfect position. I didn't even need to connect the liner to the stamp because it was already in the right place. This one, I kind of needed to maneuver it a little bit, but that's why this marker end of the eyeliner makes it so easy to perfect the wing. I'm like, is this really my eyeliner? Did I really do that? It looks, for me, it looks so good. Wow. This is an amazing invention. Absolutely no smudging, no fading, long lasting. Wow. I am so excited. I'm actually going to do winged eyeliner now because I can actually do it with the help of this stamp that actually works. Like my eyeliner looks even. Okay, so if you're like me and you struggle with winged eyeliner, this is the solution. Winged eyeliner stamp. Wow. I'm so happy this exists. This is a game changer for me, an absolute game changer. What would be so cool is if this came in other colors. Like I would love it in a brown, maybe like a gold, silver, pretty much any color. I want it in every color. I didn't see that it came in any other colors, but maybe that could happen someday. It seems like MOSTORY cannot make a bad product, and I don't think most people seem to know about them. Like I hadn't heard about them before. If you've tried any MOSTORY products, I would love to know in the comments down below, but I seriously think this is a brand that does not get the hype that it deserves. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Stay safe and healthy.